Okay, so I've been requested from a YouTuber, how do you set up a console that uses RF? So today I'm going to show you how to hook up your system. Now this applies to any system that you want. I'm using the Sega Master System. You could use the Atari 2600, Super Nintendo, NES, whatever. I don't care what console. I'm teaching you how to hook up any console that uses RF. The same concept still applies. So, step 1, choose your console. I'm using the Sega Master System. Step 2, get all the appropriate cables and controllers, etc. that you'll need. Obviously, you'll need a controller, power pack, and the RF cable, or whatever your RF cable looks like. That's the Sega Master System one. Next step, plug in the cables in the appropriate sockets. It's pretty obvious, AC adapter, RF, and you've got a little switch here saying channel 0 or channel 1. It doesn't actually matter what channel you flick it to, it just means that at a different frequency it'll read the signal sent from the master system. Mine I think is set on default, which is channel 0. So you don't need to worry about that too much. Okay, now we have to select whatever game you want to play, whatever you want to put in. I'm going to be playing Dynamite Ducks because I really want to play it at the moment. And it goes. Okay, here comes the complex part. So here's the RF bit. Some have switches, some don't. Depends what console you got. So this has an option of computer and TV. Flick it to computer. If it's computer, if you want to play your master system, you flick it to TV. Get your TV. In it goes. So if I want to watch TV, you just flick it. If I want to play Sega Master System, flick it to computer. It means that I can have both set up at the same time. Now, I don't ever keep my master system always connected. I always disconnect it and take it back to my bedroom. So I'm putting this directly into the back socket of my TV. Now you can use two kinds of TVs, your digital on your analog. I'm using a digital LCD. You can use your analog TV, CRT screen with a big back in it. In fact, they are probably easier to hook it up to. Anyway, so in it goes at the back. I'll just show you. Find the TV slot. There's mine. Flick it in. All good to go. Now we just need to tune it into the TV. Okay, so this is the hard bit. So make sure at this point you've just flicked on your gaming system. So I've flicked on my Master System right now. Okay, this is a digital, so it's already on digital format. There should be an option on your remote. I'll just show you mine now. It's got the TV option right there. If I flick that, up the corner it says analog TV. You need it on analog, peoples. If it is not on analog, it will not work. Okay. Now I just need to change the frequency so it'll read the machine. So if I go to the options, the menu, you can do setup, and then you can fiddle around with all the display settings, etc. So up here it says analog tuning TVD menu. That's what I want, so I'm going to access it. You can have auto or manual tuning. I'll choose manual tuning. Okay, now I'm going to flick it to the left, and now it's going to try and find my master system. Sometimes it picks up a funny frequency, but it shouldn't. And there's Dynamite Ducks. Now as you can see, it says, do you want to store it? I'm obviously going to store it because I want that for next time I play my Master System, so I don't have to keep mucking around with it. Alright. Get rid of the menu. And that's how you tune it. Now the quality's pretty rubbish, as you can see. It's all staticky. So if you go to the back, sometimes your TV might do this. You may have to fiddle around with the cable at the back. And as you can see, that looks very good, crystal clear quality. So that is how you tune whatever console to your TV. Analog is the exact same as doing it to a digital TV. The only difference is that in an analog, you don't have to change it from digital to analog. And of course, I actually had no volume that whole time. So that's how you do it. Hope that's helped all those YouTubers who have no idea how to do this. Thank you.